This project this is the prototype of a wood project I drew the plans for, and the idea was to have 12 students, each making 12 parts identical. One student would make this piece, one student, okay? Then they would assemble them. The idea was that if they were making one part to fit the whole, would everybody make them correctly enough so that when they put it together, it was going to work. This is a little lever action rifle, and I'll show you the action. Come down, you see the hammer's now cocked, and the trigger releases the hammer. It's got dowels that serve as the axle, I guess, for the moving parts. Brass screws to hold this plate on. Here's the dowels on the other side, splined. And what I'll do now is take it apart so that the inner workings are visible. There goes Uncle Sky and the songbird.